Hello guys, this is Sam Z Architectural Design. Our previous video we work on how to add windows and then doors and then openings to our ground floor plan, and also how to create different types of openings that we created. If you are new, I'm urging you to hit the notification button or subscribe to the channel. If you have anything also, you can also hit in the comment section so that we share ideas together. And today's video is going to cover on how we will add our roof to our model. How we will add our roof to our model, the roofing and then the fascia board. We are going to make good uses of our concrete fascia. So don't forget, this is Revit 2021 Autodesk architecture. So without wasting my time, go in and do something. So first, what we have to do, you have to go to our roof level, go to the project browser, go to the roof level. After you go to the roof, sometimes you will come to the roof level and only find the grid lines, and we doesn't want the grid lines. What you want is we have to see the plan so that we can design our roof. So sometimes if you can't find it, what you have to do is you come to the project, come to the properties, then you click on underlay the range base. So you click on that, you see that, and you take none, it's always on none. So when it's on none, you will see that there will be nothing aside the grid lines. So you click on there again, then you pick ground floor. There you will see your ground floor inside. So what you're going to do, you're going to design our hip roof and then open some gables. I will show you how you can also open some gables and other things, create a fascia, and then how you can add your fascia board very nicely. So without wasting my time, we go into our architecture, we go to roof by footprint, you go to edit, duplicate, hit OK, then you edit the thickness of the roof should be 25. You go to category, and category, I think we have to create a material. We have to apply material to our roof, create similar, duplicate it, then you say roof 1, then hit OK. Now you come to this side, you click here and then apply our material. So you go to appearance, you scroll down to roof, then you click on asphalt red gray. That's what I want. Click on that, then I change the scale to 4000 by 4000. Yeah, I think it's changed already. So what I have to do is I'll hit done, hit OK, click OK, then we are good to go. So you click on pick lines, then our roof overhang is going to be 600. So you type in here 600, hit enter. Then what you have to do is you pick the exterior face of the wall, you click here, then you also click here. So just like that, very simple, it's not anything difficult. You apply it as it is, you get something nice. See, yes, this is how it's going to be like. Here there will be an overlap, don't worry, you adjust that, and we are trimming. So if you are done, go to trim, hit OK, then click here. Also you have to adjust this one, sorry, you have to trim that, and also you have to also trim this off, trim this one and this one off. On join elements, okay, click on this and this, adjust this one and this. So as I said earlier, when you are done, and then you check your slope. The slope, sometimes I use 30, but because we are learning, I just want it to be a little bit deep, so I'll give it 35 degrees. So I'll click on finish edit, then you will see my roof being done. Go to the 3D, click. So if I go to realistic, you'll see how when we apply the material, how it looks like. So this is how our roof looks like. So we want to create gape here, gape roof. We have to create another gape here, and then create another gape at this side. So what you're going to do, you double click on the roof, then you go to roof level again. You select this one, hold Control, click this one, and then click that, and then you uncheck the slope. You hit OK. There you go. You see here is here and here is gaped. So you go to the 3D, you will see that very nicely. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So what you are going to do now, is you add you extend this our wall to the roof. Extend this our wall to the roof so that it will look nice. So what we are going to do is select the wall, go to attach top base. So click on the roof. You see that it's automatically attached to the roof. So what you have to do next is also come to this side, select this wall, select, you have to attach this, and then also attach this one. Go to top, attach top. So click on the roof. I think you get it. Escape, then you go to this side. You have to also select this one, select that, hold control, and then add the walls. Top base, select the roof very nicely. I think we have something nice. Yeah, so as you can see, we have our roof. So what we are going to do now is we have to add our fascia board. And how do we add our fascia? How do we get a nice, we are going to customized concrete fascia. So what we are going to do now is we're going to create our own fascia, concrete fascia. So we will go to file, go to new, go to family, and then also go to I will go to English, then hit open, and I will go to search for metric profile host, click on it, click on open, wait for it to open. Then you will see we have a host face and then the insertion point. We are going to draw our fascia board from here, from the insertion point to this side. So you come to line, click on the line, click at the insertion point, you drag it to give it a dimension of 600. Since our fascia is 600, also come, you project it downwards, give it another 600, then you give it another 75 here, enter, another 75, enter, another 75 mm, enter, then another 75, something like that, like our last one, 75. I think we have something good. So what you have to do now is you select it, and then you will mirror. You go to the tools, you see draw as is, so you snap exactly 45 degrees, you hit OK, click there, see that it mirrored to the other the insertion point. So we go to create again, go to line, go to big arc, and then adjust it here and see. So we go to create again, go to line, pick the midpoint of the 600 and another midpoint, then we trim. So what you have to do now, you go to family base category, then we change the geometric to fascia, hit OK, then we save our project as we'll save it we'll save it as family 5. Family 5. We hit save, then we load in project, and then also load in project and close. So what we have to do now, we go to our 3D model, and then we go to Facia. We go to roof and go to Facia, roof Facia, click on it, go to edit type, you duplicate it, you give it a name, Facia 5, Facia 5, hit OK. Then we go to profile, then we select our roof Facia 5, hit OK. Then what we have to do, we have to keep the profile, horizontal and the vertical profile, and the angle to be 0. Then we select exactly at the line here too. Sorry, we have to do something here small. So let's escape it. Then we have to give it, we have to give a roof, the base of the roof to be 300, extend it to 300, click on 300. Good. So therefore now we can go and then add our fascia. Oh no. Okay, select the select the bottom of the roof. You can see that, you can see we are getting something nice, and see how our fascia is being added to our design. So that's it. It's very simple. As people use sweep, and later on you have to adjust some, do some extrusions and then other things which is not right. But this one you can easily do whatever you want to do with it. So let's add this place now, go down small, very nice. Did I escape? I think we have done adding our fascia. Don't worry about the gable, we'll create some extrusion fascia to this place, so don't worry. I'm going to show you how you will create some extrusion fascia to this side, and then we are done with our roof design. Then what I will be showing you later is how to add the roof, the ridge cap to our roof. So I have to position the building well, and then I will go to component, come to model in place, case work, hit OK, hit another OK, then go to extrusion. I pick what I set wet plane, then select here, and what I have to do is I have to pick line, then select this place, select this one, select here, and also select here. So I'll select this line here, here, and then here. I think I'm good to go. Offset 150 for each, 150 here, here, and then I trim them, so that's it. It's very simple and easy. See, so what I have to do is select it again, drag it to the face of this. See, we can, now you can see you have something nice. So guys, I'll end the video here. I don't want it to be long, so that you can watch and then also understand. So our next video, we are going to create our ridge cap, which is going to be simple and fast. So if you're new here, I'm urging you hit the subscribing button, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to, you can hit in the comment section so we share ideas together. Don't forget, this is Samzit Architectural Design, and thank you for watching.